How to fix GPO Startup Script is not running. Here are some troubleshooting tips for when a GPO Startup Script is not running as expected. Check that the GPO is linked to the correct OU or domain. The startup script will only run if the computer account is in the OU or domain where the GPO is linked. Verify that the startup script is configured properly in the GPO. Open the Group Policy Management console, edit the GPO, go to Computer Configuration Policies Windows Settings Scripts and confirm the script is entered correctly under Startup. Check that the startup script is not disabled. Open the GPO again and go to Computer Configuration Policies Administrative Template System Logon and see if Run Startup Scripts asynchronously is enabled. If disabled, the startup script will not run. Confirm the GPO has the proper security filtering to apply to the computer. Go to the Scope tab in the GPO and validate it applies to the computer account. Check that the computer is getting the updated GPO. On the computer, run update/force to refresh the policies and restart. Then run result/r to see the applied GPOs. Check the script itself for errors. Review the script logic and any logged errors. Test running the script manually on the computer. Look in Event Viewer for any relevant errors or messages related to group policy or startup scripts not running. Consider enabling debugging logging for startup scripts. This can provide more diagnostic information.